Sup guys, here we are in a new video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to enable your Android, iPhone or MacBook to read out text, and almost every type of text, an article, newspaper or something like that. So it just reads out the whole thing without you doing anything. Sometimes when I'm busy I use this too when I need to be updated on news or something like that, but I'm busy, so I just use that feature. I can just listen and be working at the same time. So when you visit a website or a page that have text on it, you just use that feature and it reads out the whole thing, so you don't need to do anything, you just need to listen. And I'm going to show you how to enable this on your Android or iPhone or MacBook right now. So let's get into it. Alright, here we are. The first thing you need to do for iPhone users is go to settings. After going to settings, scroll down to accessibility, tap on that, and you can see spoken content right here. Tap on spoken content, then turn on this speak screen on. Once you turn it on, you have a lot of options here. You can control the speaking rate down here and all that. So this is like the speaking speed, and it's really important. It depends on how you want it, so I just leave mine the way it is. And that's much of it. All you need to do is just visit a page that have a lot of text on it or a book. Then swipe your fingers from the top of the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen just like this, and it begins to read out all the text on that page. Okay, here we are. And on Android, what you need to do also is go to settings, scroll down. We have settings right here, then scroll down. Here we have additional settings, so tap on it. From here you can see accessibility, tap on that. And here we have general, vision, hearing and physical. Tap on vision. Let's see. Okay, here we have select to speak. Tap on that and then toggle it on, so you'll be able to use this feature. Use the accessibility button to open and all that. So also on Android you get to enjoy this feature. It's an amazing feature. So now I'm going to show you how to enable this on your MacBook. Then go to accessibility right here. Then here we have speech. So this is where you control all that and you turn all this on. And also you can control the speaking rate, and you can play this so that you can hear a sample. So what you need to do is to highlight the text you want it to read out, then tap options, go down here to speech and then start speaking. So it reads the text out loud. So you have seen this feature. You can go and enable it on your Android, iPhone or MacBook. It's an amazing feature. It will save you time and all that. But on the iPhone, where it's reading the text out, you have some options right there. You can speed the speaking rate or you can slow it down and all that. But on the Android, I don't see that actually, though maybe you can control it from the settings, but it still works. It's an amazing feature. So it's a time saving and amazing feature. I advise you guys to enable this on your devices. That's all for the video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tech videos like this. Until then, I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace.